Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful things I've ever had.
You have a Lionel train. Isn't that the one Grammy got you?
Yeah, it is. That's me. That is me.
I didn't get that for you.
Huh?
That's not
that?
from me. That is from Miss Kayla.
Thank you, Miss Kayla! You're the best in the whole universe! This is amazing.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
I have something else for you too from her.
Miss Kayla's awesome. She is absolutely awesome. Thank you, Miss Kayla, if you can hear me from I don't know how many miles.
Well, I'll send this to Miss Jill and she can share it with her.
Alrighty then, Muggleby Tuna.
But we appreciate Miss Kayla for more reasons than just gifting us stuff, right? We appreciate her because she has a great personality and she's kind and friendly and she was fun to meet and spend time with.
She was.
I know. Thank you, Miss Kayla.
Thank you.